So ngayon, atin nang tatalakayin ng mas dibdiban ang bawat award na ibibigay sa mga bata. Una, Classroom Awards. Performance Awards for Kindergarten. At ire-recognize yung mga most evident and most prominent abilities. They can also be recognized for showing significant improvement in a specific area. Halimbawa, from having poor fine motor skills to being able to draw or write well. So, since kindergarten learners have no numerical grades, teachers are advised to recognize outstanding achievement of learners based on the different domains and or learning competencies of the kindergarten curriculum at the end of every quarter. So, yung improvement, development na nangyayari sa kanila, sa kanilang writing, sa kanilang pagsasalita, sa kanilang pag-drawing, pagbibilang, ito ay ibinibigay na at the end of each quarter. Since all learners must be given equal opportunity to excel and demonstrate their strengths, may award din na ibibigay or an award may be given to more than one learner. Kung lahat sila magaling mag-drawing, 15 sila, di lahat na sila. Lahat silang ganda ng sulat nila, pwedeng lahat sila. Ganun po. Okay. So, teachers can choose from the domains and skills listed in Appendix 1. They have option to provide creative or unique titles for each award appropriate to their context and community. Example, Mother Tongue. Okay.